everyone. Eco-friendly air duct cleaning process, there is a right way and the wrong way of doing it. Most important, we're going to start with the right type of equipment depending how dirty your duct system is. We will utilize drop cloths and wear shoebies in your house, ensuring that your house stays clean. And then return filter grill thoroughly clean using a Kirby vacuum, which is the most powerful vacuum made in the world to remove all surface dirt. And then we're going to take the return grill and supply grills and clean thoroughly with Clorox and detergent. And now we are taking a brush and cleaning the return grill fins, and the results are amazing. We have to remove every grill manually to replace that with a piece of foam to clog each individual can. Now we are going to take the compressor, which pumps out 185 psi, and we're going to connect a non-contact pressurized wand to clean thoroughly within the inner lining of a duct. Remember, on the opposite end, we have a giant blue vacuum that pumps out 5,000 CFM, resulting in a very clean duct system. But hold on, we are not finished yet. Doesn't the air go through that furnace, coil, heat exchanger, blower wheel, blower assembly, evaporator coil, return plenum, and supply plenum? So it definitely has to be cleaned out to ensure a clean, complete system. The right way number is 702-516-9999 or visit ecofriendlyair.com.